everyone! Welcome back to Cozy Space Living, where we share all things apartment inspiration to help you create your dream home on a budget. If you love creating cozy, chic spaces without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a stunning bohemian-inspired living room using upcycled furniture and a bit of creativity. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below to let us know what your favorite boho furniture piece is. We love hearing your thoughts and ideas. Now, let's get started on transforming your living room into a boho dream without spending a fortune. Bohemian Style is all about embracing individuality, color, and natural materials, making it perfect for a cozy and welcoming living room. It allows you to express your personal style through mismatched furniture, textiles, and accessories. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or a spacious loft, boho decor can bring warmth, personality, and a relaxed vibe. The best part? You don't need to splurge on expensive furniture pieces. By upcycling old or second-hand furniture, you can create a boho-inspired space that's as unique as you are, all while saving money. In this video, we'll show you how to bring those bohemian dreams to life on a dime. When we talk about upcycled furniture, we're referring to giving old pieces a new lease on life. Whether it's a thrift store find, something you already own, or an item found on the curb, upcycling involves taking what you already have and giving it a creative makeover. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and adds character to your space. Upcycling is also a great way to inject some vintage charm into your living room, which is a hallmark of boho decor. Instead of buying brand new, mass-produced items, you can infuse your home with pieces that tell a story and add unique flair to your space. To build a boho living room, you want to start with a neutral base to create a calm, laid-back atmosphere. Think warm earth tones like beige, soft browns, and off-whites. These tones will set the foundation for adding layers of color and texture. If you're working with an upcycled couch, reupholstering it in a neutral fabric will make it blend seamlessly into your bohemian-inspired space. For a fresh twist, you could even consider distressing an old piece of furniture to give it a vintage, lived-in feel. This will add that effortlessly chic vibe that boho spaces are known for. Don't worry, we'll show you how to do this easily, step by step. The coffee table is often the centerpiece of a living room, and it's the perfect place to get creative with upcycling. Consider repurposing an old wooden crate or a vintage trunk into a statement coffee table. You can easily add a fresh coat of paint, sand it down for a rustic look, or even decorate it with fabric or woven materials for that boho charm. Another idea is to use an old, sturdy table or desk and transform it into a boho coffee table. You could add some funky legs, paint it in vibrant colors, or even decoupage it with colorful paper or fabric. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits with your personal Bohemian style. Upcycling chairs is a fantastic way to incorporate boho flair into your living room. You could reupholster an old dining chair with patterned fabric, or even use mismatched chairs to create a relaxed, eclectic vibe. If you have wooden chairs, a simple sanding and painting process can give them a fresh, new look without much effort. Don't be afraid to mix and match different chair styles. A mix of vintage armchairs, stools, and lounge chairs will bring the bohemian spirit to life in your space. Plus, it's budget-friendly, as you can easily find inexpensive chairs at thrift stores or flea markets. Bohemian decor is all about layering, and rugs are an excellent way to add texture and warmth to your living room. If you're on a budget, look for secondhand or upcycled rugs. Often, old rugs can be found at great prices, and you can layer them for extra comfort and style. Try mixing different sizes, colors, and patterns to create a cozy, boho-inspired space. A neutral rug beneath a brightly colored or patterned rug can create a beautiful, layered effect that adds depth to your living room without overwhelming the space. No boho living room is complete without a bit of storage, and upcycled shelving is a perfect way to organize your space while adding to the aesthetic. Use old wooden crates, vintage ladders, or even old windows to create unique shelving units. You can hang them on the wall or stack them on the floor for a casual, bohemian look. Another idea is to repurpose an old bookshelf or cabinet. Sand it down, add a fresh coat of paint, and perhaps some new knobs or handles to give it a fresh, boho twist. These functional yet stylish shelves can hold your plants, books, and treasured knickknacks in a way that's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. One of the easiest ways to bring bohemian style into your space is through colorful throw pillows and cushions. These can be an absolute game changer when it comes to creating a boho vibe. Look for upcycled fabric or old clothing to sew your own pillow covers in vibrant patterns, textures, and prints. You can mix different fabrics, such as velvet, linen, and cotton, to create a cozy, inviting environment. The beauty of boho decor is that it thrives on mixing and matching, so don't worry about having everything match. The more variety, the better. Add personality and creativity to your boho living room by incorporating upcycled art and wall decor. Old picture frames can be transformed into boho-inspired art by adding colorful fabric, mirrors, or even dried flowers. You could also repurpose vintage finds like old shutters or doors into unique wall art. Another fun idea is to create your own art using recycled materials. This can include painting an old canvas with earthy tones or crafting a dream catcher from twine, feathers, and beads. Let your imagination run wild, and remember, Bohemian Style loves the handmade touch. No boho living room is complete without plants. Greenery adds a fresh, natural element to any space, and it pairs perfectly with upcycled furniture. You can repurpose old jars, cans, or even broken pots to create unique plant holders. It's an easy and budget-friendly way to bring the outdoors in. If you're limited on space, go for hanging plants or vertical gardens that don't take up floor space, but still add that vibrant touch of nature. Plus, plants are known to purify the air, so it's a win-win for both style and health. Lighting is key to creating the cozy, warm ambience of a bohemian living room. Upcycled lamps and light fixtures can set the tone for your space. Look for vintage lamps at thrift stores or flea markets and give them a makeover with a fresh coat of paint or new lampshades. Fairy lights, string lights, or even Moroccan-style lanterns add a soft, magical glow to the room, perfect for those relaxed, evening vibes. Layering different light sources, from floor lamps to pendant lights, will give your boho living room that warm, inviting atmosphere. Textures are an essential part of any bohemian living room. From the soft touch of woven throws to the rustic feel of wood and rattan, boho spaces are all about layering different materials. Upcycling furniture allows you to experiment with textures that make your living room feel rich and tactile. Think about incorporating woven baskets, macrame, or even old fabric remnants to create unique, textured pieces that not only look great, but also serve a functional purpose. The more textures, the cozier and more inviting your boho living room will feel. The key to a successful boho living room is mixing and matching without overthinking it. Upcycled furniture pieces, vibrant textiles, plants, and personal touches come together to create a warm, welcoming space. Take your time adding each element, ensuring that everything feels cohesive and reflects your unique style. Remember, Bohemian style isn't about perfection. It's about celebrating individuality and creating a space that feels comfortable, relaxed, and full of life. Don't be afraid to experiment and embrace the imperfections that make your space truly yours. And that's it, everyone! You now have all the inspiration you need to create a beautiful bohemian living room using upcycled furniture. With a little creativity, you can turn second-hand finds into something extraordinary and unique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who might need a little boho makeover in their lives. Let us know in the comments what your next upcycled project will be. We can't wait to hear about it. Until next time, stay cozy and creative.